Hello, my name is Abbie Stewart. I go to Abbie Sixth Form College where I study physics, maths and biology. And in the future I hope to go to uni to study engineering. So today I have a little home experiment for you to do. I like to call it the rainbow volcano. So what I have here is 3 cups, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda in each cup, and I have different food colourings to make it more exciting to add colour to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a drop of each food colouring, and then here I have my tub of vinegar, which I'll add to each thing, and hopefully it will explode. Let's see how this goes. Here we got a bit of red, oh that was quite a lot, a bit of blue, and a bit of green, and here we go. There wasn't quite enough vinegar for that. So basically, bicarbonate of soda is a compound made of sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, and when the vinegar meets the bicarbonate of soda, the compound breaks down, and the carbon and the oxygen form carbon dioxide, which causes the gas to bubble up and some go over, and I didn't add quite enough to that, but there we go. That's everything.